Oral stories, right brain. Pictures, right brain. Fine arts, right brain. And artifacts, right brain. There are 5 ways to communicate an idea in a classroom. Most schools use an exclusive left brain methodology and a left brain test with large numbers of right brain thinking children. A tremendous tragedy. There are 2 ways to learn left and right side of the brain. Now here's the way the exercises go. If you want a left brain lesson plan, it goes like this. Read the definition. Write the definition. Purely left brain. Read it and write it. If you want to go from left, not to right, but left to whole brain, using both sides, read the definition and then draw what you think you just read. Then you'd have to integrate the left and right side of the brain. You know we have people in this room with BAs, MAs, and PhDs, still drawing with stick figures, still drawing like 4th graders. It's not your fault. When you were in school, they belittled the right side of the brain. Let me give you a homework assignment. I want you to develop a right brain lesson plan and then evaluate it with a right brain instrument. We have got to find ways to meet our children where they are. They have a strength that we have not been using. And I wish we could have a lot more time on this major area of learning styles. But because of our time, we're now down to about 5 or 7 minutes. I want to now move into the best for last. I want to now look at teacher expectations. I want to now talk about you. I'm now quoting from the work of Wilbur Brookover and Ron Edmonds. They wanted to find out what was the major reason for academic achievement. I am proud to report 3rd, not number 1, is the student's socio-economic background. Some of us still keep believing, well, how much money is in the home? How many parents are there? It is not number 1. It is 3rd on the list. The 2nd is the school per pupil expenditure. Some of us still keep believing, well, what color is the school bus? How thick is the carpet? Well, that is also not number 1. How much money is in the school or in the home has never been number 1. Number 1 has never changed. Number 1 remains teacher expectations. Tuscaloosa, Alabama, 1920. 1-room school shack, 40 students. The roof was leaking. Only 2 books, and all 40 students learned. Beyond Piaget, beyond Montessori, beyond Glasser, beyond Goodlad, education boils down to one word and one word only.